Horizon Aircraft sold to investors. Horizon Aircraft, an eVTOL aircraft developer, has been sold by Astro Aerospace after its acquisition in June in 2021. The deal saw the transfer of Horizon over to a group of Astro shareholders in a move that CEO Brandon Robinson says will, quote, allow Horizon Aircraft to accelerate development of our eVTOL in the private sector with access to more flexible funding mechanisms, end quote. Upon the signing of the initial agreement, Astro CEO Bruce Bent said, quote, Horizon's progress has been nothing short of outstanding over the last year with several grants, a USAF contract award, and a large-scale prototype ready to fly, end quote. The deal allowed Astro Aerospace to sell 100% of Horizon Aircraft equity to several key Astro shareholders in exchange for certain public securities and a fraction of the now privatized Horizon. The shift is expected to set the company up for a round of Series A funding to enable at least 24 months of continuous and expensive development of the company's prototype Cavorite X-Series eVTOL. Horizon has indeed made some promising headway on developing a full-scale Cavorite X5, busy at work testing its 50% scale prototype as it moves along in the highly competitive AFWERX HS VTOL Challenge.